Hey, this is Micaela from Airstream DFW. I'm inside the showroom today. I want to show you guys a 2026 Flying Cloud 28 foot. This is actually going to be a twin bed. I know y'all like to see the queen versus twin layout, so we'll be looking at this. A 28 foot is a little bit of an underrated trailer. You know, everybody veers to a 27 foot, but I think a 28 foot is very interesting. If you're someone who likes to watch movies or lounge, a 28 foot may be a little more comfortable for you. So we'll go inside and check out this layout, but I kind of want to talk about some things on the outside since this is a 2026. So just like normal, we have an electric tongue jack up here, propane tanks, lithium batteries, 300 watts of solar. Now that lithium and solar is an upgrade option from the factory, but we're ordering everything like that here at Airstream DFW. A couple of the new things on 2026, you'll see we've got these new air vents, we've got an upgraded converter, we've got a better charging capability on these lithium batteries. So if y'all haven't read into any of those, go over to airstream.com, kind of search up what's new for 2026 so you can see these changes on the first part of 2026 and what's coming in for 2026, because they've got a few other little new things, especially on the Flying Cloud model. On the outside, of course, you're going to have your dump station just like anything else. We're a little tight in the showroom today, so I'm skipping doing my whole walk around, but we also order it with an awning package. So if you're unfamiliar with what an awning package is, that's another upgrade from Airstream. Not an expensive upgrade, and we order all of ours like that, but that way you have your full patio awning on your patio side here, right? So it's about 8.5 feet big, really gonna take up a lot of room and give you some extra space. But then for shade on the roadside and the rear, you're gonna have a little awning as well too. So let's go inside, check out this cozy floor plan and see what kind of options we've got on the inside. So right now I'm sitting at the front of the trailer. You can see in comparison to a 27 foot, we're flipped, right? So this is a rear bed and I'm sitting at the front of the trailer, and we've got this nice couch here. So this is kind of what a 28 foot is meant for. 27, 28, the length from ball to bumper is super similar, you guys. So as far as towing goes, the weight's gonna stay just about the same. But if you prefer a couch, if you have a pet, a dog that takes up a lot of foot room, sometimes this 28 can be really nice. Some people also prefer a rear bed, and that's fine too. So this couch will actually pull out. It becomes a nice full-size bed up here in the front for an extra sleeping area. You've got your panoramic windows out here for a nice, really good view. Behind the couch, you have a really cool storage area for blankets and pillows and extra towels and anything you need behind the couch. But this couch area is going to feel like a classic or like a 30 foot compared to a 27 that has that dinette where you're having to put the table up and down every time you just want to sit and relax. So if you love the couch, this might be a good option for you. Let's check out the kitchen and dinette. Okay, standing in the kitchen now, you can see that the kitchen is on the opposite side of the door. So unlike a 27 foot, we have a little room before we get to that kitchen. We've got some excellent counter space here. Down below, you've got some nice drawers for storage and underneath the sink as well. Windows with some shades to pull down, but so you have a little bit of view on this roadside, so to speak, while you're standing here doing dishes or cooking. Behind me, we've got the 3 stovetop burner glass cover. I was actually just talking with some customers about the preference of this glass cover. Y'all let me know what you think. Do you like the residential style top, or do you like that glass cover on it for a little more flat space on your countertop? Convection microwave down below and a little more storage. And then a 28 even has this like little cutie spice rack. Now, here's where we end in the kitchen, and this is so important. You're really gaining all this living space, this nice couch, countertop, a dinette, but what you lose in this kitchen is there is no pantry. right? So unlike a 27 that's got that really nice big wide pantry, here in a 28 foot we kind of lose that, right? So you have to really take advantage of your cabinets up top here and over the dinette, which you don't have too much cabinet space over the couch and dinette in 27 foot. So it's all a trade-off. It's all personal preference to you guys. Now, here's the dinette, and from the couch, so if you guys are sitting on the couch right now and you're looking at me, that's your view to this TV. So the dinette also turns into a bed, but you're not sharing it. You're not having to clean off dad's computers because somebody wants to sit down and watch TV for a little bit, or the family wants to hang out. Someone can be sitting on the couch and also make this into a bed and chill here, and everybody can sit and watch a movie together. So we do have a little more versatility here for more than 2 people. So my couples who may love a 27 foot because nobody ever goes with them, another couple who brings their grandkids every time may like to have this option too. They're gonna sleep the same, right? 1, 2 on the couch, 1, 2 here, 2 in the bedroom. So 6 in a 27 foot and 6 in a 28 as well. So the dinette does have these big windows that view out onto that patio space. So if you've got smaller kiddos and you like to let them kind of play outside on the patio area underneath the awning, you can sit here and see them very easily. And then of course your fridge, and this is going to be a big fridge. Flying Cloud does have this nice 8 cubic foot fridge and a little storage above as well. Okay, let's check out the bathroom and shower. So as we walk into this hallway, this is your, let's call it your master bedroom closet area, right? So we've got a nice closet here with a full-length mirror, and then right across the hall is your bathroom. So nice roomy bathroom with a lot of cabinet space, and then your shower on this side. And a 28 foot actually has that nice shower seat that goes all the way across. So we like to have that, where you can sit shampoo bottles down and you can sit down. And then we have curtains that close off both this side, so you can shut off the living room area and the bedroom if you're using this area and don't want anybody to be in your bathroom while you're getting ready for the day. All right, let's look at the master bedroom. Okay, so this is the bedroom. It's a twin setup. Now, of course, if you love this layout but prefer to cuddle and want a queen option, I have those as well. But y'all know how I feel. Twin bed is 5 inches longer, right? These mattresses are going to be a little longer. You get some extra storage down underneath each bed and on the exterior as well. And then these additional foot lockers for hanging things. Now, any Flying Cloud dual axle is going to have a TV back in this bedroom. We've got a nice little nightstand. If you opt for the queen bed, then you'll have a nightstand on each side, and then of course your panoramic windows. Now 28 foot, I'm sure some of my northern friends and salespeople up north only do 1 AC, but here in Texas we do 2 AC, so that's how I'm ordering all of these with 2 AC. So this is a 50 amp service. I do have this trailer on sale right now, and if you didn't see our email that just went out over the weekend, I have 4 2025s left in stock available. So if you're looking for an awesome deal, those are the ones you need to head on over for. They are marked down clearance for the end of the year. If you're more interested in a 2026 with all of the upgrades for 2026, call us, let us know. If you haven't come and visited us in the showroom yet, please do. I'd love to see you guys. Let me know if you're watching these videos. I always love to hear it. And follow us, subscribe below to see some events we have coming up this summer too. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.